Hi everyone, in this video, I will talk about Cursive.io dropshipping honest review. So first, Cursive.io is an online platform offering courses in various fields including dropshipping. So some positive feedback says that some users have found value in Cursive's courses, appreciating the integration of AI tools and practical applications. For instance, a reviewer mentioned that the platform helped them broaden their understanding of modern communication and integrate AI into their content creation. But several users have reported dissatisfaction with the course content, describing it as superficial and lacking depth. Concerns have also been raised about the platform's marketing tactics and refund policies. One reviewer labeled Cursive as a scam, criticizing their deceptive practice and the difficulty in obtaining refunds. So, on reviews, that IO Cursive has an average of 4.29 based on 69 reviews, with 40 customers rating them as excellent, while on SiteJobber Cursive holds a rating of 3.6 stars from 1,544 reviews, indicating that most customers are generally satisfied with their purchases. In conclusion, while some users have benefited from Cursives.io's courses, others have encountered issues related to content quality and customer service. Prospective users have exercised caution to really review the platform's terms and conditions and consider both positive and negative feedback before making a decision. And that's basically it.